Hello, welcome back, my old dear learners, and welcome back this amazing small talk conversation which can help you to find the better version of yourself. Now, I have again one story which is related to Tenali Ravan, and Tenali Ravan story is a very inspirational which give you a wisdom to think in a better way and just analyze the things how you can go through in your life. Now, the thing is that one day the Krishna Dev Narayan just in his palace and he just trying to show everyone he has a golden watch, and after a couple of days the golden watch disappeared in his palace. The king announced everyone, and his ministers and the servants gathered together in his palace and just trying to say, king announced, my golden watch disappeared, so find out the things where it is. Now the ministers asked every servant one by one and just trying to check their rooms also. But they found nothing. They found nothing. Ministers found nothing. But at that place, Tenali also observing everyone very carefully, but he hasn't responded any a single word. The king just noticed the Tenali Raman and just asked, why are you observing? Why are you not trying to search? Where is it? Where is it, my watch? The Tenali Ravan just responded, yes, I know everyone and I am just observing. Just give me a few days. And just Tenali Ravan just announced, please gather all the victims, all the servants, all the ministers at your in your palace. The next day, all servants and the ministers gathered in his palace, and the Tenali just locked the door. And everyone's just trying to watch one and other. And one servant was just keep nervous and just trying to touch his pocket. Yes, one servant continuously trying to check his pocket and just trying to be more nervous. And the Tenali just noticed his behavior, his observation. And finally the Tenali announced to the king, my majesty, your golden watch is in his palace. Don't worry about it. But your watch hasn't stolen. It is in palace. Everyone shocked and just trying to congratulate. Wow, very good. But where it is? The king asked to the Tenali Ravan. The Tenali Ravan just fingering and put his hand towards the dead servant and just said, my majesty, your thief is here. Now you can check his pocket. Now the servant just trying to take out everything from his pocket, and finally he took out the golden watch and just give it to the king. And the king just shocked and just said, how you did? The Tenali said, my majesty, something is very important, is more important than the observation. We have to just trying to observe, be patient, except doing a hard work, just checking their pockets, just checking their rooms or the servants. Something takes time, but it will give you a good pay. I just observed everything, but I found this man is continuously touching his pocket and getting nervous. Then I analyzed the things he is might be a your thief. Then finally he checked out and found a golden watch. And king prays to the Tenali, you are so wisdom and you are very careful. Every time you're just trying to figure out the things. And you are the great person in my palace who is doing everything in a correct manner. And you are my precious servant. So don't worry about it. And what the moral you will get it from this story? Something is more difficult, but you can just trying to figure out by observation or analyzing, except doing a hard work. such just example, you are just trying to speak English. So what you can just trying to do in your life, in your daily practice, just trying to give a effort, accept also learning some new things and just trying to speak in front of camera, because now you can see my hands are right up in the air and I have no such kind of script. I don't have any script which I'm just watching and reading and just trying to deliver in front of you. Everything is just delivering in my mind, and all these are my own words, which I'm just trying to explain in front of you, and you are just observing why English is so become hard, because many people don't want to do practice. If you do practice, then you can see the result in front of you. Why I can able to speak English? Because I'm doing work. I'm just trying to give a such kind of lesson and just trying to implement in my daily conversation. And every video is just about 6 to 7 minutes, which gives you a inspirational motivational video. So keep trying, and I'll meet you in my next conversation. Goodbye, take care, bye for now.